Hello guys, you can see that I have dental mold in my hand. As you can see, is the accuracy of the dental mold a bit exaggerated? Look carefully. Wow, looks amazing. This dental mold is printed by EDMU 3D printer. In dentistry, dental molds are essential. The core of dental mold is physical size and accuracy. Our product is called LCD printer, not DOP, not SLA. It is transmitted through the UV light path and projected onto the resin. You can take a closer look. Let's zoom in. It is the build plate that is mounted on the machine. We put the build plate and the resin in this vat. The printed model is attached on the build plate and cured. Objects are formed by pulling from bottom to top. This printer has a 4K screen with very high precision. The 4K effect is greatly improved. Our main essential part is the rail system. The precision of the guide rail is very high. It is a Z-axis direction transmission. The release cooling effect of the whole system is very good. That's why it is possible to print a dental mold with such high precision. Our teeth are very sensitive and will feel uncomfortable if we don't adapt. The size of the dental mold must be 1:1 proportion. This printer has many advantages. If you want to print a big project today, like this denture. This is the root of the tooth. Let's zoom in on the lens. If you want to print such a large size, we will increase this guide rail. The machine still has a lot of space, and the size can be customized. The denture is printed by customized 400mm height. This machine has many special designs. The door is very sturdy, double rail design. The front looks very beautiful and overall looks very comfortable. The build plate is designed with a handle for easy use. Both sides are screw-mounted design. These 4 screws above are for adjusting the level in the left and right directions. These 4 screws on left and right are to adjust the balance in the horizontal direction. The printing platform is extremely stable, and the release printing process will not shake. The humanized display design is great. We did the air treatment in this space. Double layer material has good heat preservation effect, and the influence of environmental temperature is small. Double layer material design reduces the expansion or shrinkage of printed object. This is a steel plate with solid materials. This is EDMU 3D printer, focusing on dental mold printing. High precision dental mold printing. Fantastic!